guys, we are repairing the hose reel inside the workshop. This hose reel is from a client and it is here for repair. So guys, watch until the end. If you skip one step, you will not be able to learn on how to repair hose reel. So watch until the end, guys. So first you need to disconnect the drum.
Lakini anasema anakuja sasa, sijui kama
kuja tu. So this is the hose reel drum and this is the tubing, guys. So you see even the bolts, the accessories inside the drum. See the O-rings. Up here our engineer. If you need this engineer, you can call. The number is 07 16 77 18 10.
Just a minute, let me record something. Naongea na
hose reel is faulty and you need it to be repaired, so you can call the number 07 16 77 18 10. So guys, thank you for watching.